Find your route to a more sustainable lifestyle with Dick Strawbridge and his son, James. We can all take steps to reduce our carbon footprint and be more self-sufficient. For some, that might mean heading to the countryside to live off the land. For the rest of us, the reality might involve smaller, but no less important, lifestyle changes, cutting back on plastic or food waste, growing vegetables, preserving meat and fish, preparing jams and chutneys, baking sourdough bread, making your own plant-based milk, or keeping a chicken or two. Dick and James Strawbridge know what it's like to make these changes. Between them, they've lived on a smallholding, in a terraced house, and even a chateau. In this updated edition of Self-Sufficiency for the 21st Century, they share everything they've learned and give you the tools you need for a more rewarding and environmentally conscious life. Find the link below and buy the book now.